y equals mx plus b is the slope-intercept form of a linear equation, where m is the slope, also known as the value of rise over run, and b is the y-intercept. Now let's look at some examples of how to graph them. The y-intercept in this case is -4, so plot 0, -4. Then, in order to graph a linear equation, you need to find at least 2 points. So plug in a random value for either x or y to find the second point. For example, plug in 2 for x. Then you get the value of y, which is 2. Then plug the point that you just got back into the graph. Then connect both of the points, and you get your equation.
Another way to graph a linear equation is to graph it by its slope. This method also requires the equation to be transformed into the slope-intercept form. Divide both sides by 2 to get the equation into slope-intercept form. Then you get the slope -3. Plot the y-intercept in first, 1 over 2. To graph an equation by its slope, you have to realize that the slope is the rise over run. -3 is -3 over 1. Then from 1 over 2 in the y-axis, go down 3 and move right 1. Plot a point and connect it with the first point. And that's the graph.